Okay, so the bike took in. Also notice how there's a child on there. But, you know, they've been trying to send subliminal messages with this shit that came up on my YouTube, which I won't load. Red feed again. Took the bike in. They wanted to replace the chain, but I don't think there's anything wrong with the chain. You know what I'm saying? It's like he says it's worn out, but looks fine to me. And the chain's newish, and it's been running fine. So I'm like, nah, I don't want to replace the chain. So I just, opted for the brakes to be replaced, because the brakes are definitely, worn out. That's the main issue. So, I don't know. But I'm not having the chain replaced. I said that I keep the chain. It said it was going to cost £100. Right now, I don't really have that kind of money. I have that kind of money spent, but I don't really want to, use it. So. You see the one hand, you see her do a hand signal. And the old keys in the hand, just something they like to do. It's not easy as well. I'll tell you what. That's sorted now. See? Number one. Yeah, that's all sorted. See that? She just touches her hair when I walk past. I think that's that taxi. But she's looking at her phone. He's looking at his phone. It's the gimmicks, the little gimmicks and shit. She kind of tries to look away, so I deliberately point it at her. And this is a tactic they like to do. They like to, stare into the phones around you. I would say like 3/4 of the people there were perps. Another fan up there. Something they seem to be doing right now is they'll be parked up with the lights on. But yeah, this is all to try and, I guess, intimidate me into not dropping my bike off, which failed. See, now he's not looking at his phone. That guy there, I'm like 70% sure he's one of them. You know what I mean? It's predictable. I'd say she probably is too, I don't know. But she sighed when she walked past me like that. So when they react like that, it's usually because they're uncomfortable. You get that Arab looking or Indian looking chick, she plays with her hair. She walks in front of me, just like what they do in You've seen that video RT did where he filmed the perps around that photographer, or videographer, whatever it was. This is a tactic they like to do, playing with their hair. So I'm going to end the recording now because I want to keep my space in case they do anything else. But